Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a blower motor in a Ford Fusion. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, you'll need to locate the blower motor, which is usually found beneath the passenger side dashboard. You may need to remove a few trim panels or covers to gain clear access to the motor assembly. Take your time with these initial steps to ensure a smooth process. Once you have clear access, the next step is to unplug the electrical connector from the blower motor. This connector supplies power to the motor, so ensure it's fully detached. Then, you'll typically find 3 to 5 retaining screws or bolts holding the motor in place. Use the appropriate socket or screwdriver to remove these fasteners. With the fasteners out, carefully pull the old blower motor straight down and out of its housing. It should slide out without excessive force. Now it's time to install your new blower motor. Carefully insert the new motor into the housing, ensuring it seats properly. Align the screw holes, then reinstall the 3 to 5 retaining screws or bolts you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new motor. Make sure it clicks firmly into place to ensure a good electrical connection. This completes the core replacement. With the new motor installed and connected, you can now reassemble everything. Reinstall all the trim panels and covers you removed at the beginning, ensuring they fit snugly. Once all panels are back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your vehicle and test the blower motor on all fan speeds to confirm it's working correctly. If you're looking for durable, comfortable socks, check out Darn Tough with their lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.